Hi everyone, today I want to show you how you can install this MCP server on your system. First scroll down and get to this part. And from here you can see the next step is to go to Google Cloud Console to set up our Google API credentials. So I go here and from this part I create a new project. You can call it anything that you like. When the project is ready, select it and it should show up here. From here go to API and Services. Then type in Google Search Console. Enable Google Search Console API. And then you should configure your OAuth consent screen. Just click on Get Started. Name it anything that you like. Now you can click on Clients, and from here we want to create this type of client. Create on this, and then application type should be Desktop App. You can name it anything that you like and click on Create. Here, download the JSON file and click OK. The next step here is to add yourself as an audience. So enter your email address. This should be the email address that has access to your Google Search Console properties. Click Save. And if you need to add more items, feel free to do that. From here, we're done with the first step. Now scroll down and you can see it's time to install UV. Copy this text here, paste it in your terminal, and you can see everything is installed. You can verify this installation by pasting this text here. And also we need a path to this UVX file as well. So what we need to type here is which UVX, and this is the important path that we want to copy it and keep it somewhere. Now you're ready to install this on Claude desktop. First, click on Claude and open it. Then go to Settings. And from here, click on Developer and Edit Config. Now you want to edit this file with any type of text editor that you have. For example, I will use text editor. And we want to paste this in this file. So instead of this, I will paste it. I will remove this, add a comma here, and remove this as well, and save it. If you remember, we had this path here, so we want to copy this and paste it exactly here as our command. And the next item that we want to change is this JSON file. For me, it's located on desktop, so I will right click here, hold Option, and copy this path here, and then just paste it and save the file. Quit Claude, and then reopen it again. Now if I look at my connectors, GSC should appear, GSC server should appear in it. Yeah, okay, you can see it's here. I want to ask it a question like, first prompt, you need to do this authentication and make sure the email address that you added here exactly matches this one. Otherwise, it will not work. And then click on this, continue, and then close this window. And now you can see it says I have access to your GSC server, and then it lists my properties. This is how you install Claude, but our next step here is to install it on Cursor as well. For Cursor, just open a new window, and if you go to Settings here, you can see we already have Tools and MCP here. You can add your custom MCP by pasting this text, paste it here, and then you know what to do. So we need to paste the location of our JSON file here, and the command is also the location of our UVX, which is correctly written here. For this one, I will get it from the desktop. So just copy this and paste it here. And you can see Cursor is also installed and it's working. Next, I like to do a very similar thing for Codex. It's slightly different on Codex, so let's take a look at it here. Just open Codex and go to Settings, MCP Servers, Add Server. Name it anything that you want, like GSC, MCP. Command to launch is the location which we already know what it is. The argument should be exactly this, MCP Search Console, and environment key variables should exactly match this. So this is a key, and for value you want the location of your JSON file, which is this one. So I paste it here and save. You can see GSC MCP is available now. Let's test this now. You can see it can successfully list all of my properties. This is how you install this, and please star this repository because your stars give this more credibility. Thank you very much.